What are QR codes? Ways to scan them in 2025. QR, quick response, codes were first introduced by a Japanese automobile company to easily mark the products on the assembly line as they moved toward the final workstation before shipping. Today, the two-dimensional codes can be found nearly everywhere. They provide quick access to media, textual information, open web pages, etc., allowing users to interact easily with businesses and vice versa. This post will discuss the details of QR codes. What are they? How are they used in different industries? What are the different ways to scan them in 2025 and beyond? So, keep reading till the end to find out answers to all these questions and more.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Into the QRverse. Fundamentally, QR codes are two-dimensional matrices of black squares on a white background. They are read by specialized tools and software that are trained to detect the array of black and white patterns. Note: remember, QR codes are entirely different from barcodes. The former is two-dimensional, while the latter is only one-dimensional, which means it cannot carry as much data as QR codes can. Note: remember, QR codes are entirely different from barcodes. The former is two-dimensional, while the latter is only one-dimensional, which means it cannot carry as much data as QR codes can. There are mainly two types of QR codes, dynamic and static. As the name suggests, dynamic codes can be altered for their embedded URL or media even after they're printed, while static codes cannot be edited once generated. You can create both types of quick response codes quite easily through online QR code generators. Some options are free, while others are paid. So, explore the tools and choose the one that suits your needs the best. Talking about the size of QR codes, these can vary. However, the least they can go is to by 2 centimeters. Although this is a slight limitation for this technology, innovations are currently going on to shrink these codes to miniature sizes without degrading scannability. Ways to scan QR codes in 2025. So far, we have learned all the details about the origination and the nitty-gritty behind QR codes. Now is the time to learn how to scan them. 1. Through smartphones. In 2025, modern smartphones have the intrinsic capabilities to scan QR codes without the need to download and install any applications. Below are steps to do this process based on two distinct mobile operating systems. On Android, our current test bench is Android 15 on a Samsung smartphone. Thus, the steps we are about to show you may vary according to different Android versions and phone manufacturers. Open up the camera app. Point the QR code toward the sensor. Click on the notification banner that pops up, leading you to the desired media file, voice note, embedded message, etc. These steps work well if a QR code is displayed or printed on a physical product, banner, advertising hoarding, etc. But, in case the code is saved as a JPG or PNG file, then the steps may change. On iOS, currently, we are using an Apple device with iOS 15.8. But, as we mentioned earlier, the procedure may differ depending on the software version in use. Open the camera app. Align the QR code with your phone's imaging sensor. Tap on the Safari web notification, as shown in the image below, to access the required data. 2. Through web scanners. Today, many online tools and resources can help you scan the QR codes on devices that don't have built-in scanning options, like laptops, desktop PCs, etc. This method also works quite well if you have the code saved in an image file. Using Google Lens, open the utility in a web browser. Then, upload the image containing the QR code and let the lens do the rest. Now, click on the link that has popped up on the screen to go to the desired platform without any problems. Using online tools. Finally, we have online QR code scanners that can do the job for you quickly and efficiently. There are many options to choose from, however, below are some tools that we've tried and found to be reliable. For demonstration purposes, we will choose the first option to show you the steps to scan the QR code. The procedure remains more or less the same, regardless of the online scanner picked, so don't sweat it. Click on the Upload File option to upload the image containing the QR code. Or, click the Open Camera button and scan the QR code live from your device. Receive the scan output on the right-hand side of the tool's interface, concluding the scanning process. Here, you can copy the extracted link to your device's clipboard or directly click on the URL to land on the desired page.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.